This is Frontier Opening Bells. Thank you so much for joining us on the show today. I am Faith Agbetuya, and we'll go very quickly with a look at the last trading figures in selected African stock markets that we considered on Frontier Opening Bells. We'll go very quickly with first the Nigerian Exchange, which finished up at 0.69%. The All-Share Index there finished on the positive note. Also, the BRVM Stock Exchange finished positively at 0.52%. Very quickly, all the markets we monitored here on Frontier Opening Bells finished all on the positive note, and yeah, it got investors all smiling there. Moving away from Ivory Coast in Egypt, the Egyptian exchange finished also on a positive note at 0.28%. Kenya, in that's in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, had a 0.02% change. South Africa, that's in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, had it also 0.02% all share index. We also have here the Morocco stock market finished 0.56% on Wednesday. That was also on a positive note. Zimbabwe Stock Exchange finished positively also at 0.77%. Mauritius Stock Exchange finished with 0.12%. All of that were the last closing figures for the Wednesday trading day. We look forward to what the figures will be at the end of today. Moving away from those figures, let's quickly have the top stories in East Africa's financial market, starting with the story that Kenya's Revenue Authority, KRA, is effecting inflation tax adjustment on excise duty starting from the 1st of October this year. Kenya's central bank is authorized to price interest rates to digital loans. That's to loans that are gotten digitally. Also here, Shelter Africa is set to raise $1.25 billion via bond issue by this year end. In Uganda, completion of $1.7 billion Karuma Dam is delayed until June 2022. Tanzania's oil firm Ophir is set to pay 18.3 billion shillings of disputed tax to the Tanzania Revenue Authority. Moving away from East Africa, let's go on to see what the top stories in Nigeria and West Africa's financial market is. Starting with the Central Bank of Nigeria releasing guidelines for regulation and supervision of credits guarantee companies in Nigeria as part of efforts to improve lending for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Really interesting there. International Breweries PLC director buys 8.35 million shares worth 41.7 million naira. The Jumia second quarter result is out, and it is showing revenue up to $40.2 million and adjusted EBITDA loss of $41.6 million. The Bank of Ghana is partnering German fund to debut first central bank digital currency in the African continent. Really great and quite stunning to read. Gambia says that BP has agreed to settle $29.3 million, no drill fee. All of that from West Africa. Moving away from that, let's see the stories over there in South Africa. The South African Business Confidence Index is falling to 93.2 in July from the 96.2, which was recorded earlier. Steinhoff is lifting global settlement offer by 3.21 billion rands, while Nedbank is paying 2.2 billion rands interim dividend, cutting South Africa's growth outlook to 4.2%. Angolan Banco BI prepares for stock market listing mid-2022. Econet Zimbabwe's revenue is up 23% to 35.1 billion Zimbabwean dollars in the 2020-2021 financial year. And very quickly, lastly, we'll go on with to see what is happening in North Africa. The top stories there, we have Egypt on holiday for Islamic New Year, and Bank the Measures plans green bonds issue in the Egyptian market. Credit Agricole Egypt posts 767.09 million Egyptian pounds profit in the first half of the year 2021. Massa Maroc half year's consolidated turnover is up 20% to 1,750 142 million dirhams. Really, and we just hope that that will be sustained even in the second half of the year 2021 by the time the result comes out. In Tunisia, the agricultural exports to Libya has risen 23%, as at what was recorded in July this year. That's really a great one too, if you ask me. All of that there in North Africa. And also, it's on that note we'll be ending Frontier Opening Bells today. Thank you for watching. I am Faith Agbituya, and bye for now.